Sunshine through the window glass. You're sitting by the window, hair turned golden bright, reading your book so light, milk steaming so smooth and fine, latte art and heart design, coffee machines humming sound like my heartbeats rebound, so sweet just like syrup flow, the way your smiles gently show, warm like coffee in this place, the feeling time can't erase, so exciting, hard to hide, this feeling growing inside, in this cozy coffee shop, every moment makes my heart stop. When you stir your coffee round, sugar cubes dissolve slow, spoon touching cup side, making rhythm soft and low, sharing cheesecake, slice so sweet, coffee cup stains complete, fingers accidentally meet, making this moment so complete. Sun is setting low, our story continues to grow. Tomorrow, same time here, hope to see you, my dear, my coffee love.